In January 2019, in order to facilitate the different services being offered to the public of Purnia district, Bihar, the district Purnia Police launched citizen-centric digital services portal incorporated with inbuilt feedback mechanism. This feedback mechanism was utilized to monitor the quality of the services being provided to the public to continuously upgrade and improve them. The following services have been digitized to improve the public experience and streamline glitches. First, missing person information. Second, online complaint. Third, feedback. Fourth, news and press releases. Fifth, transfers and postings. Sixth, passport verification status. Seventh, character verification status, etc. The above services can be accessed at purniapolice.bihar.government in /e-governance/. Basic nuts and bolts about the functioning of this system and how it has improved public experience are as follows. Public have the option of making online complaint, and the receipt of such complaint is notified via SMS, and the progress and verification of complaint is also communicated via SMS. Public have the option of getting information about the local police. For better appreciation of police station working, photographs of the PS and SHO are also given. Information about missing persons with their basic data and photographs are also being uploaded on the portal. News and press releases related to the developments and happening with respect to the district police are also updated and uploaded. Transfers and posting of police personnel at the district level. Feedback mechanism. Social media page which has connected with around 4,000 followers in a short span of time. In addition to this, citizen visiting the SP Purnia office are facilitated by 2 receptionists and asked to give their feedback about the functioning of the SP office and their experience associated with it via Android tablet, which has been made physically available in office for the specific purpose. Real-time feedback of the citizens not only empowers citizens but also helps in improving and furthering service quality and keeps all members of the district police on their toes for meeting the expectations. Cycle of continuous improvement of service via feedback mechanism. For all these systematic improvement, Purnia SP office was recognized as ISO 9001:2015 certified institution for its administration and management, which further boosted the public confidence in the working of the office. The ISO 9001:2015 certification is for excellence in office functioning and maintaining high levels of quality control in daily activity. Once an organization is ISO certified, it has to maintain the standards. Thus, overall public experience as well as the working condition of the police personnel are greatly enhanced, which lead to the better service delivery. The impact of these are better transparency and management, improved accountability, improved efficiency, participatory management, increased employee satisfaction, increased public satisfaction. With application of IT-based solution and ISO certification, Purnia Police became the first SP office in the Bihar to receive this certification. And to facilitate citizens and receive their feedback, the introduction of tablet-based feedbacks from citizens is not only first such concept in the state of Bihar, but only in the whole country. It is worth nothing that police forces in countries like Israel are providing feedbacks forms to the citizen who visit their police station to register their feedbacks. Furthermore, the streamlining of process and improved motivation among workplace personnel led to a direct impact on the service quality of citizens. For example, passport verification is being done in just 3 days by the Purnia Police, which is not only fastest in Bihar but is among the best in the country.